So the best way to keep up with assignment due dates is via the Blackboard calendar. So to access the Blackboard calendar, you just come to the Blackboard page and you click on this icon right over here, kind of looks like a calendar. Then when you open it up, it gives you options for day or month. I would click on the month. There's January, and you can see right there on the calendar all of the different assignments that are due. So this can kind of help you keep track of things. Notice there's always something due Tuesday and Thursday. Those are our pre-class assignments. And then you have their My Math Lab assignments, which will generally be due on Fridays and on Sundays. And there's the weekly journals. What's nice about this calendar is that you could click on any one of these assignments, and then it'll take you down to just that day, what things are due, and it even kind of lists it around the time that it's due. And if you click it again, it can take you right to the assignment. So you don't have to go back into Blackboard to find the assignment. You could find it right there on the calendar. So that calendar feature is really very nice. The month gives you the whole overview of what's due, and then you can click on individual entries to get more details or to go directly to the assignment. Okay, hope that helps.